Learning about history can be fun, can be interesting, can be intriguing. Lots of good stuff, to learn out there. But learning about Bitcoin history, oh man, this thing can be, this can take you on an amazing little journey. With that being said, I want to welcome y'all back to the Go Getter Crypto Club. My name is Ro, and I wanted to take y'all on a semi little journey here, or at least a place where y'all can get started over at 99bitcoins.com. They have this neat little price chart with call out boxes that show events that have happened throughout Bitcoin's history. And when you go through these, it's very interesting to see how Bitcoin came from under a penny to over $100,000 in since 2009. And this is a really cool place to kind of get an idea of the historical things that this asset has gone through in order to get to where it's at now. And a lot of these events that have happened throughout its history have played a major role into getting to where it's at now. And anyway, I just wanted to show you all this site and this all-time price chart over at 99bitcoins.com. Just something to check out, whenever. I also wanted to just point out some of the things that I use on a day-to-day basis. I do like to use CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko just to get an idea of what's going on in the market, things that might be trending or whatever. But also to show you when you click on any of these cryptos, and not all of them will have it, but a lot of them have this trading view, but that you can use to start learning some technical analysis here, or TA for short. But anyway, there's a lot of tools that you can use. The Fibonacci's are a good thing to learn about when looking at Bitcoin or whatever other crypto you're looking at, because it gives you kind of an idea of where things could go. Let's see what else. Yeah, same thing on CoinGecko. They have the trading view window available here, and I believe this one, maybe not. I don't know if you can make this one bigger or not, but the one on CoinMarketCap you can. Anyway, just a couple of things. I do think it's important to know a little bit of technical analysis, at least the basics. Get to know some basic chart patterns to look out for, and this is a good place to look for those chart patterns. Anyway, I also wanted to show y'all some of the or a couple of the exchanges that I'm using right now. These are centralized exchanges, BitUnix and BuyDefi. I did add my affiliate links to the description. I personally like BitUnix a lot. This thing is nice. It's a really nice exchange to use, not just on your desktop, but the app on the phone. I think it's an awesome site. And BuyDefi, I still use it, but not as much as I use BitUnix. And oh, you know what? I forgot to mention to y'all. I do have the I'm not sure what it's called, but the premier version of TradingView, and I also have an affiliate link to TradingView below if y'all choose to buy this tool, which I think is a great tool for anyone that's in trading in general, because this isn't just for the crypto markets, it's for the stock markets and the foreign exchange and whatever else out there that people can trade. It's got a lot of stuff on here. And anyway, let's get into what Bitcoin could possibly be doing. So, excuse me. So right now, it doesn't look like Bitcoin's doing a whole lot, and it probably won't because it's New Year's Day. Once the regular markets open up tomorrow, then I think there's going to be a little more volatility. I don't think this week or this weekend it'll get above 100K. In fact, there's a lot of people out there thinking that it might go down some more to around the 80K range. And I don't see that happening. I think we're seeing a nice little bottom here that's forming and starting to get a little stronger, around this 91, 92K area. Excuse me. I don't see it right now going below, but that's not to say that it won't. It could. But I personally think it's going to go higher, probably not above 100K by the end of this weekend, and maybe not into the beginning or early part of next week. But I think it is going to try to tiptoe its way up to 100K again, and then maybe just create a little range in this area. That's what I'm seeing right now. Who knows what it's going to do, because there's just so many things going on that are positive for Bitcoin. I mean, this thing could just explode upwards, or it could blow down to the 80K, which a lot of people are thinking it could do. Right now, I'm in the camp that it's not going to do that. I think it's going to continue to go up this month especially. And I think it's going to start soon. But we'll see. We will see. If y'all are into this, market the way I am, leave your comments below and let me know what y'all think is going to happen. Because it's kind of up in the air right now. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It's going to creep up to the 100K level and then creep back down, or come back down to the 92, 91K level. And it's just going to go sideways for a little bit until it blows up. Because this is the year that looks like it will blow up to quite a high, to quite a high price. I'm on the camp that believes we're going to have a blow off top in 2025. That's what I personally believe. Who knows, but that's what I'm guessing is going to happen right now. Anyway, if y'all like this video, I appreciate a like and a subscribe. And I will see y'all on the next one.